Assalamualaikum and good morning. I'm Suhaima Nursi and I will presenting my review on about one news article on Islamic finance on title Malaysia to lead in the Sukuk issuance in 2021 by Harisha Kamel in the Malaysian Reserve. And Malaysia will continue to lead in Sukuk issuance for the year 2021 given its scale, while higher energy price could see lower sovereign issues by countries like Saudi Arabia. According to Moody's Investor Service, Ashraf Madani, as the ratings agency on group analyst, says, in terms of issue, we still expect the Sukuk volume to be fairly sizable, coming from Malaysian as it continues to be among the highest issuance in the market. And according to Moody's, Malaysia had a 32% share in the Sukuk market in 2022, followed closely by Saudi Arabia with 28% market share. And another factor for Malaysia to lead is the upward trend in oil price this year. Therefore, the sovereignty expect Saudi Arabia will issue less Sukuk in 2021 compared to 2020. And our expectations from the overall Sukuk market in Malaysia will continue to be number one in terms of Sukuk issue. If you look at the overall market, Malaysia will be more advanced contributor to the Sukuk volume. For the fifth consecutive year, Sukuk issuance remained strong as it grew by nearly 50% to around $200 billion in ringgit Malaysia at 120 billion in 2020. Increased issuance activity in the Gulf Cooperation Councils, particularly Saudi Arabia, more than compensated for the drop in issuance from Indonesia and Turkey. Southeast Asian issuance declined slightly by 4% to $97.5 billion, mainly due to reduced short-term issuance by the Indonesian government. Overall, the core Islamic finance markets benefits from increased demand from consumers, which powered strong financing growth of around 80.1% in compound annual terms in the last 3 years, and compared to a 6.2% in increase in a conventional bank financing. Further growth in the Islamic finance share is expected in 2021, driven by increased demand for Sharia compliance product and supported governments, and a regulatory measure in the favor of the industry. Meanwhile, Moody Financial Institutions Group Analyst Teng Fuli said capital and liquidity of Islamic bank in Southeast Asia remained fairly strong despite the COVID-19 outbreak that affect bank profitability and asset quality. Adding ongoing government's effort will underpin development. And Sinar Harian Online on 25 April 2021 stated that Malaysia, for example, has long been recognized as a leader in Islamic finance, largely due to its conducive ecosystem, effective regulatory framework, and strong human capital development. So for me, that's all, and thank you for listening.